This is iPhone 13 Pro Max. I would say it is one of the best phones Apple ever made. But what about iPhone 14 Pro? Well, considering its price tag and being one of the most glitched phones ever, I would put it on second place. The retail price for iPhone 13 Pro Max is around $900, but I got this one for only third of its original price. Sounds like I bought a fake copy? Let's find out. After a long run of continuous search on eBay, I found a damn good looking deal. It was iPhone 13 Pro Max and I bought it for only $287.55, including shipping. The title said that it was iPhone 13 Pro Max, 128GB of storage, locked by user and listed for parts. The seller was not trying to be precise, so just copied the same text to detailed description. According to the photos from the listing, the iPhone was in pristine condition. After asking the seller to share IMEI number from the SIM tray, I was able to confirm that it was carrier unlocked model and iCloud free. Once I got the parcel, it was time to unbox it. Here's iPhone 13 Pro Max, which I bought for less than $300. The condition of the phone is gorgeous. Zero scratches on the back glass or iPhone cameras. The front screen looks new, not a noticeable mark on it. All the bezels of the iPhone are scratch-free. The bottom screws look intact. Seems like this iPhone was never opened or repaired before. As usual, the first thing I will do is to check the IMEI number on the SIM tray. And I can confirm that it matches IMEI number provided by the seller. Now let me try to turn it on. Okay, we have a logo. I can see it is password locked as it was mentioned in the description and title. Because of it being password locked, there's nothing I can check except touchscreen function and speakers work. Next, I will try to restore the iPhone and see if it can be activated. With the help of my MacBook, I need to put iPhone in DFU mode in order to restore it. Instructions of how to put the iPhone in DFU mode are the same as for the other models. Press volume up button, volume down button, then press and hold the power up button for 10 seconds. After 10 seconds, simultaneously hold the power up button and volume down button for 5 more seconds. After 5 seconds, release the power up button, but proceed holding the volume down button until the phone is recognized by computer. Once I followed the same steps, the phone went in DFU mode and was ready to be restored. When the phone was recognized by Mac, I proceed downloading newest firmware. When download was done, it was time to restore it. After successful restore, I can start setting up the iPhone as a new user. Activation process completed without any issues and full system setup was done. Now I can check the actual IMEI number of the iPhone if it matches the IMEI number on the SIM tray. And we have a full match. Next, I will do additional set of tests in order to check if there are any possible issues with this iPhone. 3. 1, 2, 3. Just testing. Once all the tests were successfully completed, I was 100% sure that the phone works as expected. The battery health check showed that the iPhone has 100% of the maximum capacity, while third-party apps showed that the battery has 41 cycles only. Now let me share you possible profit of this deal. iPhone 13 Pro Max costed $287.55. Selling price for this iPhone is close to $900, so the profit I can make reselling it is $612.45, which is my #1 deal so far. If you liked this video, smash that like button. If you want to see more, hit subscribe button. And I see you in the next one.